white guy, pretty like a girl. And he got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through cool water. Eating like I'm underwater. Had my tattoos in Shibuya. Police think I'm out the underworld. I've treated niggas like he